Hello and welcome to another edition of Caves and Creations. Today we're focusing on our Blackberry Honey Mint Mocktail. It has 8 fresh blackberries plus more for garnish, about a quarter cup of honey, about a handful of fresh mint, which is about 10 or more, juice of 1 lemon, and a half cup of water plus 2 cups of soda water. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your blackberries, your honey, and your mint. Now if you do not have a cocktail shaker, you can go ahead and put this in a bowl. And then you're going to stir it up with a muddler if you have one, or a wooden spoon. You just want to get it so that it's nice and pressed together and the combination is well blended. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and add your lemon juice, and that will be your next thing. And then you're going to add your half cup of water. So you're going to stir that around until it gets nice and blended. Once you do that, you're going to divide the mixture between 2 glasses. This does serve 2 people. Make sure you have your ice. We unfortunately did the ice at the very end, but go ahead and put your ice in first. Then pour your mixture through a sieve. You just want to get all the all the remnants of the mint and the blackberries out. As I said earlier, we did put the ice a little bit later. So from there, you're going to go ahead and put some blackberries and some mint for decoration garnish. And after you've done that, you're going to go ahead and fill your 2 cups with about a cup of soda water each. And voila, we're done. You have yourself a blackberry honey mint mocktail. If you want, you can add alcohol to this, no problem. It doesn't change anything. But you can find the recipe and more at plantobefit.org. That's PLAN, the number 2, the letter BFIT.org /blog. Thank you for attending.